Hey, I want to hop on here and do a quick unboxing on this Neewer lantern softbox. So just got this, super excited about it. I got the smallest version, but they do have different sizes. This is going to be on a continuous light like that, and it's like in a studio. It does come with a bag, which is super nice. And then I've had very good luck with Neewer in the past. Neewer, I don't know. You just push. Yep. There's a locking mechanism in there. I don't know if you can see it. So you'll just push here, unlock that in. See that moving? So then again, just push here, and then it has the locking bolts. Actually, I'll turn this on without this first. If you turn the lights off. So this is at 50%. As you can see, it is very like a direct light. So I needed something to diffuse this. And then, let's see if I go blind here. We'll just pop this on and lock it into place. And you are good to go. It's a more ambient light. It's going to light up the whole room. Go up to 100. And again, as you can see, it's just a lot more ambient light. So super excited about this. 10 out of 10. Hey, real quick, if you're interested in what you saw here, I left links down in the description. And if you want more real reviews from real people that we use in our everyday lives, go ahead and hit that bell button, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.